Are you tired of cluttering your Instagram profile with old carousels that you no longer want to keep? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete multiple carousels that you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC with the new update. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to a list of all your activity on Instagram. Now scroll down to the Photos and Videos section and then the Reels section. Here, you will see all the carousels you have shared. Click on Sort and Filter to organize the carousels by date. Enter the start date and the end date for the period of the carousels that you want to delete. Click on Apply to confirm the date range. Next, click on Select to choose the carousels you want to delete. You can select multiple carousels at once. Once you've made your selection, click on Delete and confirm the deletion. And just like that, you've successfully deleted multiple carousels by date on Instagram on your PC. So, if you're looking to declutter your Instagram profile and get rid of those old carousels, follow these simple steps and you'll have a clean and organized feed in no time. Thank you for watching and happy scrolling.